Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another quick update on the McMinnville, Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity ending this past Sunday, April 17th. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through some info with you. So first off, we'll look at active listing activities. Blue bars is new listings by week. So this last week we had 13 homes come on the market in McMinnville, which was up a couple from the prior week, but kind of in line with where it's been over the past 6 weeks. Ended the week at 30 homes on the market, which is up a couple from the prior couple weeks, and slight high for the 6 weeks. Median list price and days on market for the actives, it's been trending down a bit over the past 6 weeks. Had a high of 618 6 weeks ago. This last week came in at 551, which was up about 20,000 from the prior couple weeks. And then days on market's been coming down over this past month, had a high of about 31 days about a month ago. This last week came in at 14. Moving on to pending sales. Again, blue bars here is by week. So we had 14 homes go pending in McMinnville this past week. It's up a couple from the prior week, and ended the week at 102 homes in pending status, which you kind of see has been growing slightly over this past 6 weeks. Median price and days on market for the pendings, pretty tight range. Had a low of 478 here 6 weeks ago, got up to 497 a couple weeks back, and past couple weeks been right at 490. And then days on market's been very steady. The past 4 weeks has been right at 5 days. So things that are pending, going pending quickly. And then lastly, we'll look at sold listing activity. So as of the time I put this together, I show we had 7 homes go from pending to sold this last week, which was the same basically from the prior 2 or 3 weeks here. And then when I look back over the past month or the prior 4 weeks of activity, I show that there was 29 homes that have sold in McMinnville, and that's been kind of coming down. You can kind of see over the past 4 or 5 weeks. Median sold price and the days on market for those solds had a low of 438, a high of 464 here a couple weeks back, and this last week was kind of in the middle of that, around 450. And then days on market's been pretty steady at right at 6 days of average market time for the solds. And then lastly, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the original list price. Weeks of inventory is the red bars. So it's been trending up here over this past month here, had a low of 2.3 here about a month ago. This last week came in at a little over 4 weeks of inventory. So it's good to see a little more inventory in McMinnville from where it's been. Still very much a seller's market, though. You can kind of see that with what's happening with the sale price as a percent of the original list. Last 3 weeks, it's been at over 102%. So a little over a 2% premium over the list price on average for the solds. So still points to a very competitive seller's market environment in McMinnville still. So to get a better look at the updates, you can click the link or the button below the video. It'll take you to my website where you can have a closer look. So hope this market update's been helpful and informative to you. If you don't already have a trusted real estate professional, I certainly would welcome the opportunity to become your realtor and help you move through life. So just give me a call at 503-680-2065 or send me a message through my website, and I would be happy to help. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.